Like the pictures? Hey, I'm Nitin, a Bachelor of Fine Arts student at LPU, and my journey with photography began right here. I didn't know much, but I had a curiosity that kept me going. When I got my first camera 2 years back, that's when everything changed. It felt like I had unlocked a new world. The moment I touched that camera, I realized this was no longer just a hobby, it had become my passion. LPU has been there every step of the way. Wildlife photography opened a whole new world to me. There's something magical about being in the wild. I feel most alive there. Every click feels like a conversation with nature. From discovering my passion to winning national and international awards, it still feels surreal. Winning an international award from Retro Kolkata was a huge milestone for me. This photo, I captured it in a fleeting moment in the wild, one of my favorites. To get my work featured on Travel Leisure India, WWF India, Nature in Focus was a dream come true. For these major names to recognize my work, it's an honor. I picture myself as a Sony ambassador very soon, working alongside the best in the world. But I'm not stopping here. As Raghurai sir, my inspiration always says, there are no hard and fast rules in creativity. I'll keep creating, keep learning, and keep pushing myself towards new heights.